С вами Тимирлан, автор канала Кыргызблог, который не снимал полгода видео.
And we're down we go, oh, 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 we're down we go, oh, 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 so we're down we go, oh, 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 way down.
Сейчас 9 утра, я только что проснулся, у меня полный бардак. Сегодня будет танцевальный батл.
I got it. These hoes like so psychotic. Like they don't know I got it. 50K cash, I got it. 200 on my dash, I got it. The game on smash, I got it. My hoes won't last, I got it. Got it.
Все, бардак был, его уже нет. Battle Dance закончился, там были Hustle Twins и Жан Воинов. Все прошло очень круто, но людей было мало, чем я ожидал. Еду домой. На улице минус 25, и я иду снимать реакцию на селфи. Это торговый центр Азия Молл.
I don't blame you much for wanting to be free. I just wanted you to know.
Swiss only let the beat rock. For all my Southside niggas that know me best, I feel like me and Taylor might still have sex. Why? I made that bitch famous. Goddamn! I made that bitch famous. For all the girls that got dick from Kanye West, if you see him in the streets, give him Kanye's best. Why? They mad they ain't famous. Goddamn! They mad they still nameless. Talk that talk, man. A man in the store trying to try his best, but he just can't seem to get Kanye fresh. But we still hood famous. Goddamn!
Yep. Привет передать.
Say something, say something, say something, say something, say something, say something. I don't wanna get caught up in the rhythm of it, but I can't help myself. No, I can't help myself. No, no. Maybe I'll pray, maybe I'll pray. Thank God that I'm alive.
Yeah, thank God. 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 Yeah.
Trying to live my life, but am I doing it right? They tell me I'm the man, you the man right now. You the man right now with the whole wide world in the palm of your hand right now. Fuck the lights and the cameras and the money and the fame, I'ma do it for the fam right now. I'ma get it for the 301 and the RATTPAC, cause you know I work hard every motherfucking day, yeah, yeah,